Each individual has a different intelligence. Howard Gardner, a professor of education, found 8 intelligences that a person can have. Some of them are natural intelligence, visual intelligence, musical intelligence, and kinesthetic intelligence. Following lessons in the classroom may be easy for some children, but not for someone who has kinesthetic intelligence. At a certain moment, the kinesthetic individual will feel bored and no longer feel comfortable sitting in a chair. Kinesthetic intelligence is a way of learning for someone who relies on motion. Moving is the most important to get the point of information for someone with kinesthetic intelligence. This individual is easier to receive information if their body moves. Teaching students who have kinesthetic intelligence is a challenge for most teachers because they are mostly active, even when they are sitting. Many teachers are overwhelmed when they use conventional methods. Therefore, creative methods are needed to teach kinesthetic students. Smart Floor for Kinesthetic is a solution designed to make it easier for teachers to teach kinesthetic students. This floor can be used by stepping on it. The energy given to the floor is in the form of kinetic energy as well as beneficial for us. For example, the kinetic energy from students will be converted into electrical energy that can turn on the LED lights. Teachers can use this smart floor to teach about the periodic table, musical notes, biological classification, arithmetic, or any lessons that will be given to kinesthetic students. The teachers only need to print the material of lessons on a sticker that can be pasted on the floor. The smart floor design is based on the phenomenon of electromotive force, where the coil contained in the tool will produce an electric current when the magnet goes in and out of the coil. When the kinetic force is exerted by the feet on the floor, the magnet installed under the floor will enter the coil. Then, when the feet are no longer on the floor, the magnet will return to its original position. The smart floor design can follow the rectangular ceramic design. At each end of the rectangular plate that will be stepped on, a spring is installed at the bottom, causing an up and down effect that will move the mechanical system on the tool under the floor plate. The small electric current produced can also be stored in the form of a battery. The electric current generated by the induction process in the device will be sent through conductor to a diode, which functions to convert AC current to DC. And finally, the energy will be stored in battery. The voltage on the battery can vary according to the shape of the circuit that is arranged. The smart floor design can be used on the classroom, so this will help kinesthetic students to absorb information better.